Samuel Addo Otto. In fact, wa bene ewo mrem na no pay. Yene ni bewurewurem kakra no wa kyerɛkyerɛ ye besua de nti misro otwen pen ne paper dempi no abete na ye keka ne se de ye pen no a in fact law no wa bomu masters so hu nye kwada de ni bia wa na me boboba wasan so aye banking and finance nti eba sikasem ne no mayi no a wote ase economics no nso wote ase so hu na no ma bebre no aye wasan kra so ye ne PhD. Doc na potential lawyer akwaba.
Woman space ka krebe be bank.
Ai said na make akwaba. Na po me de ben mic na ma make kakra.
Ya dom na mo mpa bo mo
ya da okropon ase. Eti PhD no ye ne fan.
Me ya no KNUST.
KNUST. Oh okay. Near say on the way here enti. Congratulations on your achievement. I mean, Noma Bibre. In fact, I was actually reading about you and Noma Bihunumaniaji. You are really a role model to some of us. For career, know how our climb bunina. You say, kakra. Bibia ebe farmer yenso. But lawyer, first of all, sanitation dear kind. Minim say now wakra then there 29th now wakra. Na okumase etu de anye but o hwe ni nyina no ne nsem aye keken ya oba we say ye bobo videos bi kakra. What is actually the problem with this country?
Okay, me that's it. The kind of machia etiefo nyina enkanka otikoko so yura otumfo say any president of Ghana ni na manyofo yo no mbuma ni nyina mesanso acha mu nyina mo ha nyina the mechanic say ohwe ye sanitation issues are apart from bola na me fi say bia ye tutugu krom no a enye yie no enye no nso ya eto edi yire kro de mechanic say wo hwe wiase atoyere ncham nyina no a flooding contribute about 40% globally,
right?
Nti no nya Ghana nko na mekfa se bia nsuo eto ede yire ya na se ya bibia enwanwa bebre
enra me hu China nso de bi
na de ha ne say apart from say natural disasters are kono the human aspect no ye say wo hwe the way aye chichire ekuro no a akwaya te say wo de to say the way say isi kono na de say ye de na ye say 17th century plan I manage 21st century
as ye de titi adwene no and de ye enne adwuma
yes
emre so konanim
and to hwe enema ye na wasanka ye development say kwan ya faso ye sie dan na kwan ya faso am fansanka ye be ye to say central systems are e betim dia control to say running waters near the adena communities ni na be abel link to each other nanka yetimi anya enema sebe eba ye krom no so mfaso yie no bifi say ye ntimi nhihye eno no yie ema ne maso na wo hwe nso atete na mpanimfo ewa adwene bi say so o man yie a na won so be yie but ene na sesa and then I quite to say each one for himself, God for us all. Intino ubi an header and o man who say
acquire selfish interest
sana kwakoya
pesa minguminya
and also so no the attendance a share bruchra so wadwuma say ya ubenya aduane dia kosi so ubenya adwuma foforo
ba
ye hanom no say no sabe say ohwe tete mpanimfo bia omo eye adwuma no mo de no kora ye adwuma no a make sure say de mrano tie no saa no obeye no e fine yes ye na say wo commercial na say nipa na anya onkoje katase bibia na wonka so apase say environment no ko se na wo kan sama afua no ba roba na say wa nye fie ya obechew e do bako court baba oka but to kwesa company ufo no nyina no a se bi wo call pension no ona asetena mu o mabusu afo kra ye mu ma bebre no yare wuwu ya
okay
enti se wo ya kola na se wo ba na wo hunu se wo fa bia na wo na bi ekwan ya wo de no kra ye adwuma eni akatua eduru mbebi no man no de ma no a
na hye wonkran
se wa hwehye wo da chi ya ni ma wo nim ne enti nipa no hunu kra no a na so awo so ka kra mpo no a na ofi se wo san adwene da chi no na mfi say bia ho no nti e wo say etimi hihye o man no in such a way say bedru baabi no ye betimi so obi ye adwuma ase bia odi no kure na so onim say mi lusu madwuma menya aduane adi menya baabi ada dia obi abeka no kure no what does because o ko bridge mu na dia so adwuma say ya aban betu ama odan na bosumi bia mo aduane kakra obedi
okay
tunya baabi a obedanya aduane a obedi nyatade a obehye ne ade mfi say ni papa
basic needs no
betimi aka no kure no what does but until say betimi aye sa ade no na ayetimi ahye o man na ko duru sa mre no mfi say one way or the other no
credible dia
e be ye din kakra
wow
and I wo hwe ya man ni mo so say sebe akanfo ye wo ibi say so do ya man hwama de ne yedan
e be panensa kwa
ya batabo ani twetwa na
anu ama na ben
na pota ama na fia no
so udibom ti wonu abet na eduma no ama na ye ya na so obedidim
eso nkwa ya da so there's yes ofin hu so no
enu abi na de no ane na
yeah
ti your system na ye de anka no credit ni betimi akoso
yes because ehu ni say ade na wo ye no ani da so bi wo ho say no kura na wo de no wo me face any sanction just na manase kan say assembly for no bi say okoka assembly say ya how it ma ba so but me gidi say o hwe president Mahama mrem de bi anka asesa kakra na nso no ebia na the fear of the past no ntino obi anso nim de betimi asi wo kina nti obi anso odwene no nti won kwaye ne ma sabe wote kumase wo ya adwuma na yere ne ma nyina akọ school ha na ebia wo kina bi no asem bi okokan ye na ebia ye yi no ide ne ko sabe ya na bi no muka se ye de ne beko northern region ana se ye de ne beko rural region asif se o ebia eni pa ni ho no ana se bi
wa kai mami asibi
enti eno ne ma me fi se enheda emwa but so wo hwe se na wo ka se ye san kofa zoom lion ana so me fi se ye procurement systems no eno so ye ne ma wo se system
procurement systems
right. No na you make sure say ye adwuma mo obi a the key indicators na ye expect no ye betimi iron force
okay when you pese we ye intinin route 2 years ne pese we achieve we ni ahwese nipa no be ye ne pepe okay
ye timi ama key indicators ni nyina bebem because wo hwa e na me fi so man no so no tambia na me ka say so man no be ye ya na say mpanimfo wodu yanim no omo mfiri abruchire omo ye Ghana for what does it e na ye anso no ye to aba na ye den ye di omo in this me nya sure say am Roberts committee no mu yo mo pani a omba ko yo bi o nya member what does it sa anso na mo so wa ha mo yi mo pani am bi mo pani afri adwuma mo ha ya enti no obi a ye ni su ondi ene mbia no ya reflection of yan kasa nipa na ya den ye hia no and this panimfo no bi ye kasa panimfo no bi ye corrupt dia na che say sabe yan na ye selection criteria no and was say den ye free what I say
right
and na obi or san so kasa bia assembly for ni this come kasa so wo hwe assembly ya president ba ye sure say unim say ama muskapa ama assembly no skapa sabe assembly no ade adwuma bi also mo etimidi but yen oman mafo na ankasa so no say enso ye den ye hwe because constitution no we hwe article 41 care a put responsibility on us as citizens to protect the environment
right
what does it enti no nya say sabe aban wo ho be prepare ngura enti no na ngura bi kura sabe obetim dia show o bag mu dia kofia na watu ekwan ho emwa because di Japan be enna na otwemie no na manhu da krokora sabe aban nipa esi abonten a wopra
aban nipa
yes because omunye fi mfa ngukrum
okay
obia ye ni fi a o make sure say ono ankasa e dia sebe bia woko o de be shade bag mo no nso kura na say sachet water kura on ton dwuna bonten o de be shade bag
right
wo first the way o mo sin nanti kuro kura mpo no a e fekeke but that's it be fi say duba bi nso so a ye o mama for no so no ye mboa because say ye ma sanitation bill no cost wa ye nke o ho no so cost ro so a sika aban de be adwuma foforo no
eno so beka
because what didn't sanitation. Because I will share Sika by say sanitation. When you say Kaya de yes school and I say the yen so and I say they be frank and bit my boy.
True, it's true. It's true. But somehow okay na me say leaders. In fact, they be a make say you need akwada bone ho. Omusua free mpanimfo. And so you heard some of our leaders any how omukoje public officer conduct any no credit a woka ho asemi enkoso ne ade a I think say youth ne ba no mususua and that is idea I say o mine ne yehwe and I think we haven't also made corruption so much expensive enough in this country. Osha China for instance uku riesika na bribe crack ken death sentence. But in our constitution the ntina yentimi ma corruption bo onye din
unse constitution no a matter of interpretation.
Okay.
And abema say corruption be dey and say anything.
Right.
Na semre wo mu a wo hwe the new constitutional review report no mo aye no.
Yeah.
So wo hwe mu a.
Right.
See timi de ye adwuma na see de ye adwuma pa say de esefata. Corruption be very difficult.
A new constitutional review now.
Yes, no. New constitutional review.
This year they say no be shembre anymore. Corruption is expensive.
Very expensive.
I'll be happy with that.
Because if our public office, I won't say no say we yeah access declaration. O fail documentations. No, Attorney General ne kwan so obi so. On the two, this are same say answer no obi so.
Okay.
But we share the new constitutional review report to no mo na. The attend say why am I aban adwuma no.
Okay.
Oba fill form no. Na won ko an o yire nso ba fill bi. Ansa na wo ma nso so ba fill bi.
Okay.
No mo fill bi a Attorney General no and I say Accountant General no Auditor General na
Auditor General no.
O 90 days. Yeah, also they verify all the assets na oko site.
Say me what dime me what kai what high what
hand and also verify beer within 90 days.
Wow.
Yes, verify beer within 90 days.
Wow.
Now we issue a report to then a bar bunting. Emo beer who say any pass me sense and oba beba office no. E japadia o woni ABCD.
Okay.
Because obu okra excuse me to say bia na be kra na over say na no nsi. Oba na bia within 1 year na say na bia watimi asisa da no. Nti ni say time aye kwa ko bia de no so se bia sie wi a e dan no kra no why then we sie wi.
Okay.
While assassin to a list can a Japan. Antino new constitutional review na Mahama Mo no say the year Juma
Bemana expensive.
Bemana very, very expensive.
I'll be happy to see that.
Yes, very, very, very expensive.
Right.
Increase some republics.
Yeah, you be the home combo. Ebusunya mene lawyer Samuel Addo Otto and twetwe enkomo no na abantie bi ono pani wagidi pa wo Ghana. Oyen centroni osanso ye mranim ni wa wunua no eja mu pie court mu ni mrai ni ade na Daily Searchlight on the editor in chief or the Assembly Court Supreme Court say mampeni term will be dino se mampeni bi betena so a yenim se otena so mprinu 4-year terms no otena so mprinu Nhyira ken crunch kire se Supreme Court nchirim article 66(1 and 2 on chirimu se mampeni bi di emprenu so a otimisa akobie mu ana ni nyina ye mahama tetem ho asemi ese toatoa so otena so se de akufo ado de yeyi we mfiri so no osabaaye otoa so mprenu obetumi asaba biem ana so obi a wakọ asaba to the second term no so obetumi asaba akọ tetem ana interpretation a wope na wa file on 30th June 2026 mami misa as a constitutional lawyer ode wonim mranim article 66(1 and 2 edien na eka wo hwan kasa enchiremu ne tesen je fa no to sumaye na fa no to sumaye na lawyer MBC on that article 66 no fa to sumaye peto sumaye lawyer mami ntiwe
okay medasipi dedika no mami nkase mami njasam boundary bia ye be ya dedbom unsa wo hwa ye mremo no se wo ye lawyer ni ana se o man bakra no sa asem wo court wa mra ma ho kwan se
obeka ho asem yeah
because say the two me na share Supreme Court nsa se wo mona on the this adam no nti se wo beka bibia che se be wo di kan ebo asem no na che se wo ye atomra
okay
nti de ba be ni se no enya dia se be platform no so me ba be dia be me ho Supreme Court
there be one judge
enti dia be ya wa ha
can be read ade no so I be read na say wo chiri musu na say
adesua kakra bi na ya ba be ndu dia we to read but the person obi ati as say enya dia ya ba be judge say we na na say we na lose ni mo na mra no say de
chire no na obe chire ya okay and article 66 term of office of president one was a person elected as president shall, subject to clause 3 of this article, hold office for a term of 4 years beginning from the date on which he is sworn in as president. 66.2 a person shall not be elected to hold office as president of Ghana for more than 2 terms. And 3 no watch the office of the president. 1 and 2 no walk for interpretation. But saying
okay, mame, okay, me that's it. The woman was said here said the focus is on the term and then 2. 2 no. Whether 2 terms a consecutive and I say whatever it is.
Yeah.
Now in interpretation there will be a friend as a Jesus.
Exegesis.
And the why I sound for hermeneutics. Yes, hermeneutics in interpretation.
Okay.
Now for exegesis your fan say there and then. Yes.
Okay.
In fact, say if we say the constitution to Bible, the Bible was written to some people in Israel and as baby of course. So what I say, but it's also written for us. But what I say,
yeah.
Ya antre amre yen. Then so you try the my what I say. And do share constitution in 1992. And ene no. Yede Babe Bobra 2026 after 30 years.
Inti yebeka no twi mu yebeka say sabre no. Yes. Ene eho.
Yes.
Inti
ene so yeden ene. Inti no 1992 na year constitution no.
Okay.
Edi na omo year constitution no adwene be na wo mutimu nto om this provision yeden e be hye ho.
Okay. Na is the ekoso ho no.
Yes.
Ne ma mo de yes ade. Okay.
Ne nei no baby a o man na ba bedru no. Yenya yete ase samre yin so no. Sa provision no. Si ye fa no sa ebeboa yen. And I say yes sanwa ene be yen ebeboa yen.
Okay.
But what I say.
Right.
Now, yeah, what the Assembly Court Supreme Court wa. Supreme Court no to me na constitution no de amano no. E wo article 2 and 130. Now we share article 2. No. Or say when a person alleges, obi alleges say bibi or constitution ni mo sebe entiase nye den
enimo a
entiase ni mo o ho kwan so de ba Supreme Court. The Supreme Court no so to me say obechirechire mu na wama direction. Wama direction no so a e she o man ba bia say obedi sa direction no so. So obusu a na say ebetuma cho contempt. Offense be a fan of high crime.
Yeah.
Na sa high crime ni do asem na odi fo a wetuma kodam mfie edu. Kodam mfie edu no wie nso so a untimi nya abanya dwuma untimi stand for any election bia for another 10 years.
Hey.
Now we are president and now we are vice president ya. And ono yebetuma gina so dey impeach you.
Wow.
Yes. And the Supreme Court no any sebe oman mo no court penny a yede sa to me na eden assurance. Na interpretation koto omani mo a omo wo enema bibra omo gina so ansa no mo dey interpret. Tete no na you will be a friend say literal interpretation, literalist approach. No. Now our interpretation based on the plain meaning. Intino say words na woman no say clear na enya ambiguous. Na wo kan na say bro no tiase wo mo wo fa ne sa na de adwuma. But judgment bebre ho no ma court no yes and wo hunu say ekwan bi so na yeden amwa amwama otoyerensham bebre wo hwe 1960 onom baby a case bi etafo ne say ori akoto.
Okay,
yeah, Supreme Court no share constitution. No constitution say the president should take steps to protect fundamental human rights. Article 13 of the 19th Constitution.
Right.
Until no court no interpret it say the constitution akano. Emma nipa bebre lawyer for bebre crack say the court was not bold enough. But so we share the face of the constitution. What they say? Constitution said the president should take steps to protect fundamental human rights. Until the president in the Gusu aware then, or didn't Yama Gugu say a maybe bedroom a bit my ball far who dear Hobay. A bit my boy Japa dear Hobay. And only your finest I say, now you're born a cheat, you're born court, and a court, and you're bold enough. Even though now on the face of the Constitution, there was no obligation on the president to protect fundamental human rights. And on Organa for everybody, share court to crown, I say lawyers, and judges, Afibiano, Omoya lectures, Omode, Sa, I can't watch them say, Riako to when and never discuss it. Naturally, say, at that time, no crown pony, a jitum say, Yentimi share Constitution, and Yama actual Munkwani and Fanya. And she say, Nassi. What does it? Okay. And no, a literalist approach. Okay. Say, West and a woman say, Ufimuna say, and Tiasi will fire Jumasa and Fahono dear a year in Susan Sway and the Baba. Okay. And no, near Manima because Susano. Court no, if we are suffering, who say, Safa bit is a constitution. Young far be bit is a textualist approach and yet Emra. Okay. But textualist approach, and ne literalist in a yepe. But to no name says so the meaning of the words at the time the words were created, Emra, yes, Amrano. Yeah. Said ye not and seven woman are city, yeah. And no one funny, sir. Or be fast say, you share the meaning, and ne. And then also words, you far words, English meaning. Okay. Put on into contest. Okay. What does it? Because it's here, words are be used soon. If you have a technical word, if you also a special word. Yeah. This is a main funny thing. We say, Biana, a co program, or Kipkus, or the laptop, so, but just say, didn't send me the laptop. But I was a laptop, and be our program now. I could be also the laptop. It was ordinary English meaning. A sound was special meaning. Yeah. A sound was technical meaning. Sure. Or more a use as a special meaning. Or what you say. What they say. Also meaning, I was what you say, and also what you say. What they say. But Madame for Georgia, because or the laptop about what you say. If you know, you know. Because the bit me I yes. What does it? The parliament is almost a moko program. Okay. No more say program ya equity. I was 17 miles from any other swat. Casacon. On Case. Casacon. And yes, I will come a colanoco to sum 276 the parliamentarians. What does it? Into West, ye war or constitution, mono. Right. The meaning, a more than what the English words a meaning. What does it? And this Assembly Supreme Court obetuma use the textual meaning, which is the present contextual objective meaning. But what does it? Okay. So put it into context. Now take into consideration the background of the subject, the environment assembly room. Yeah. Now Oshe said we are say and near my sequence technological advancement. No, now be so. Yes, then they look at all those issues. Right. Yeah, will be being so a friend to say living constitutionalism. What does it? Living constitutionalism, no approach, almost say constitution. Your friend says so being koye nipa. Senkoye nipa. Emra no ya bofrano. Yeah. Said they now we see hono. Any church, more advance alcohol. Woman is abuse. Because when fans say be a collar or what to an hour, a one for front. See, we will say, can one somewhere. Yeah. And I see a tunity in what the Kofia. Now, what describe Kofia. Said about describe Kofino. Amra what 6 months. And yet the same description, Adbamano. Amra or what 10 years, and I say Amra or 40 years. Okay. But that's okay. Because in the constitution, they are living organism capable of growth. Okay. Into interpreting one. I also taking the environment. What does it? Now the atrasi. Now share purpose untia. Samreno. And for sure, constitution no bit me there abrenipa. What does it? Into you share say, kind my constitutional interpretation. I am say, where's way woman? I say, where's way? It will be a friend said the letter and the spirit. Okay. And the letter on the actual. By spirit and also so be boa constitution. Yes. Okay. And the spirit, the objective. Yeah, as a nation we want to achieve. O man needs to adi. O man needs to adi. Be a pesiako. Be a pesiako. Okay. Be a yadru. enema ye here what does it
ye de no betimi a kyerɛ ase
yes
enso na asem corona na da ho
yes
okay
asem corona na da ho do we 2012 election petitioner now the focus was on say article 49 3 no you say the presiding officer shall sign when the elections are over and all those things have been declared. Now the then MPP no more can say because of the word shall. I want article 49 no. I was say presiding officer now and sign you declare a results no say then sign to abana foforo. Back out no busa say say mra na ye constitution no. Say mpanimfo na wotwere krata na say asem ne beto when anim say ye to aba na party for na political parties a woto aba ne nyina wo mpanimfo na wo na musifo ne nyina asan na presiding officer na ansan a yentwa aba ne nsan nkoto bi wa will they have answered yes or no? They would definitely not have answered yes because yes now the two main question people akopensem
right
nti ya beto aba wo se nipa no ono no edumi ko jiska kra na so na be determine the wabi ne
right
nti ya to aba no hwe na se nipa na wo ne fa no enwini a de obaya ne so wonye de one side so what I say nti no se wo hwe constitutional interpretation pembebele no court no chire mu a they take so many things into consideration
and they are true
share the history of the people baby are free ba the culture the tradition economics statistics and so many things
no mo de ain't said they be kind of brofo as ordinary people I bet yase no e bet me about say Supreme Court be hwe no ma bebre no mo de abua
so wo hwe even your interpretation act mo a your interpretation act mo a o kire oba bi say wo interpret law bia na say constitution or so we say the wo ye na be promote growth and the innovation baba and the development baba and the nkoso baba and the mpuntu baba so wo hwe na say interpretation meaning na baba no emfa mpuntu ne nkoso emma so wo ye de wo twun adwene firi ho baby won so do how so apply wisdom wo de nyina ye na say still no emma yi na wo pe no a so de wisdom wo be kai say King Solomon emra ema mienu baako eku ne ba omo nyina kremo se akola na ye omo ba no eko ho na sembe na obusa omo o se yempa akola na mu mienu yemfa fama we se ana ba baako se amu mpa ne mu baako so se da bi mama mpa ne mu mfa no mama me baako no anya hwe kura akola na nyina obetuma kunso ame what they say the purpose of King Solomon approach na we use you was to get an interpretation that will save the life of the child. What does it? And then they know to who say nipa ni mi no when na de interpretation or dey by babo amakola no nkwan den aka ono na e maame akola no maame wow so what does it
wow but na wo judge no e wo Solomon adwene po echi
yes
and so ye nhunu
because
abrofu we dey na me kan article 66 na entiase no bamu obrofu na nso dey wakan ya mahu say say technical
enti no wo hwe say tete no na court no say wes ne ba na wo hwe wes no na sentiase wo mu a utimi edidi asem
right
but ene no da mo chicham ye hu ni say untimi nka say wes no clear unless say one interpret way now the other factors ne nema nyina be wurawuram ansa no hu say the meaning no clear na say clear so wo hwe case bit say Republic versus special high court general jurisdiction Accra as parties Senator Rollins now the court was to interpret article 94 1A which says we are contest member of parliament so we are Ghana ni what did 21 years now we are registered voter but way so we in ordinary ways I said but at the end of the day no court no the other factors consider and who say sa mra no kra no apply to mra ye national election not when political party be primaries
right but quickly lawyer your time no aso there but with a 5-year term no is necessary for a country like Ghana say you benya mampani proposal say you 5 years
okay say wo hwe we are self na nyina a man bi ho no mo 4 years e bi nsusu 5 years e bi 6 years e bi 7 years na the woman say wo hwe Ghana ha no mo pa na ye democracy no ya be ye electoral democracy
right
ya bato onko ha because we say ba yi mo no enya de a etimi assess president eduru abato mu a ewo ne performance ho pa.
Okay.
Because we first year no ye de transition.
Right.
Ne ye de appointment. Ne ye de orientation no converting.
Okay.
Na first year na akogo.
Okay.
Na final year no so no ye de campaign. Ndu hwe mo 2 years. And president bi oba bia no wa de adwuma.
Right.
Ye de 5 years at least e be increase years na woman or be adwuma no 3 years.
Right.
I mean no so we start any project bia na require at least 24 months to do with me and akwan e de aye.
Okay.
So we hwa aman bebere say China no money de nyina no a me fi say no na abo amomatime develop kese. And no betimi we set a timeline bia so we assess president abetimi assess ni ye.
Okay.
I mean na bo ntimi say 5 years in the betimi abo aye pa.
Right. But so what contested national vice chairman pay for the NDC?
Oh, that mean
contested. I think now contested.
Currently the finance committee chairman.
Finance committee chairman in Ashanti region. But this you be Kobiana.
I drew a national one. I'm a call for national vice chairman.
National vice. And now beso. Didn't now beso call national vice na. I'm going to chairman. Yeah, na wasio.
Oh, sabe if ma ko ni akomi no.
Okay.
Nti me dey start for ma kwa ko bo mo na afi no. Yangopo bo a na say we say party for na to me so no mo to me mo promote me.
Okay. The Oshemu pa dey na wo dey bre NDC particularly as a vice chairman.
The me hu ni say one aban ba ni obi a na betimanya aban mu appointment.
Right.
But obi a betimanya opportunities wa aban mu. Intino me share my background as a business person, as a lawyer, as an entrepreneur.
Right.
So far nipa metima bobo mo bibi adwuma bebre.
Okay.
Inti me hu ni say me ko ho no mo in terms of policy direction no.
Okay.
Betimi aboa ama party no ahyehyɛ niema e betimi aboa ma ye party for no ne o mama for no bebrebe no. Etimi ebi wona adwuma.
Okay.
No wetimi ediye.
Okay.
Because wo hwɛ ewiase sɛ de esi bana. Mra ewiase hye ase Adam ne Eve no. Na aban bi ani ho.
Yeah.
Nti na wa so papa eya afuo no bi na aboa no ma ne ye.
Sure.
Maame epomade ya no bi na aboa no ma ne ye.
Right.
But it drew baby na ye separate influence religion every amanyoko no.
Yeah.
Aban started so obi adwuma. Bank ni adwuma hodwa obitimi ye adwuma 40 years no akọ pension 50 years no akọ pension. But nei no ya population I increase ya cost of million adon bia no.
Yeah.
Enya so certain say obetimi ya we school akonya adwuma. Na onya adwuma kora mpo nso a enya guarantee say obetimi atenemu akọ
vision is obema omo etimi abi o.
The future of employment no ye entrepreneurship.
Okay.
So obi abetimi abi na adwuma.
All right.
And ho no so ma bedal mu ye pa.
Wow.
Nti me economy akọboa.
Wonderful.
Yet me assistant policy. Na yet me aboa my members no ne Ghana for bebre na wetimi abi wona adwuma.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you very much, lawyer Samuel Addo Otto, and then nutrition como constitutional law lecturer. Or try the intimuze in seminal. I'm for any ajipa on Facebook. If you look at the comments, watch the idea pa. Lawyer Nhyira.
That's it.
Yeah, that's CP. Right, Nhyira 104.5. I wish you a bit me at train como 03220 83581 83582 83583.